What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kitchen Court Cases, where we watch court in my kitchen. Let's go ahead and check out a few questionable responses in front of Magistrate Mark Nelson over in Michigan. This guy is a little bit confused about what is going on with his case. Also, if you could go ahead and like the video, that'd be great. Thanks, guys.
Okay, well, you're on 14B court right here.
Good morning. Your name, please?
Timothy Scott.
Scott?
Yes.
One moment. All right. Field State of Michigan versus Timothy Scott, 21 FB 1506, 20 FB 1525. All right, first matter has a violation of probation. The allegation is that it was violation of no assault over threatening behavior condition of probation for reference Canton Police Report 2200260079 and failed to enroll in accountable choices program as ordered. You understand that?
Yes, but I don't understand how I got assaultive behavior if I didn't assault nobody or anything.
There's a police report that indicates there was some sort of assault. There'll be a hearing on that. So your attorney will get a copy of the police report. They can sort all that out. Unfortunately, I don't have the police report or anything. I just have a reference to that number at this point in time, but there'll be a hearing on it. Okay. All right. Your other case. Does not appear to, there's no bench warrants. Right?
No warrant for this one?
That's what I'm trying to sort out. Yeah.
You should just stamp it whenever.
It looks like we just have the one violation on the first one, so we'll just deal with that right now.
So I only got one violation, correct?
That's what I can see here at this point. Yeah, I mean, there's two allegations in that violation, but yeah, just the one case has a violation on it for this court. I don't know if you have other things going on with other courts right now, but your public defender is going to address bond for you.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Scott. We are asking for a personal bond on this case. Mr. Scott, I did look in Canton District Court in the 31st District Court, did not see any cases filed in reference to this this police report or any other police reports, any other assaultive cases. I believe the only thing he had there was a speeding ticket from a few years ago. So there was no cases that came out of this report. Mr. Scott is going to be in the Washtenaw County Jail until at least June 8th. He has a pending CCW case. He is employed. He works at Chipotle in Ann Arbor. And we're just asking for a personal bond on this one. So if his other cases are resolved, he can be released at that time.
How long has he been in jail now?
I think 2 days. Yep, 2 days since Saturday.
And how do you have getting arrested Saturday?
I didn't ask Mr. Scott, how
Was that the CC? Is the June 8th date is probable cause conference for the,
It says, in Excel it says pre-trial. I assume that means probable cause conference. It's not in the circuit court yet.
Mr. Scott, did you see a magistrate over the weekend?
For my cease, for the other case, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, and you're being held on bond for that case right now?
I got she said yes, a $5,000 bond,
Okay.
It's a $50,000 bond.
a $50,000 bond.
Okay. All righty. Okay, we'll set this for a violation of probation hearing June 12th. Court does unfortunately have to take note that there's a new potential violation of probation also with regard to this latest arraignment. So that does fall into consideration with regard to the bond determination.
Hold on, wait, what happened?
Well, you got charged with a new crime, so that's another violation of this probation potentially. So I just have to take into consideration. All right, the original bond was set in the amount of $5,000. We posted in cash or corporate surety for this case. We'll set a June 12th violation date for that hearing. Court's going to maintain that bond amount based upon the information provided with regard to assurance of public safety and appearance at future court dates.
Hold on, how much is the bond? Could you slow down a bit? You
Sure.
can go
Yeah, no problem. It's a $5,000 cash or surety bond, so you can post it either in cash or with a bail bondsman. So if your bond gets reduced at your next hearing on your other case, or you're able to post that bond, then this bond's lower than that one. You can get this one posted, or or wait till your next hearing and see if it's reduced then. Okay.
So I got $5,000 for this one, and then $50,000 for the other one.
That's what Ms. Pirney just indicated. Yeah, 50,000 for what you got arraigned over the weekend. So if you
Sorry.
go ahead, Ms. Pirney.
And then you have the probation violation of the circuit court for today, and that your bond's denied on that one. So that one will have to be taken care of as well before you're released.
All right, and before any of that, so basically it's $55,000, basically.
Combining the two cases together, that's correct. Yeah. So what's most likely to happen? I mean, if I don't know what they're going to do with your case this afternoon, at your next hearing, your public defender could ask to lower your bond in that case. If that gets lowered, then you have an easier bond to post here. That's all. Okay.
Yeah, I'm confused. Honestly, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm really confused as fuck. I'm really confused.
Well, you got arraigned over the weekend on the CCW charge, right?
Okay.
The magistrate you saw then ordered a $50,000 bond.
Okay.
That's separate from this case.
Okay.
You're going to be seeing on that on June 8th. It sounds like at that hearing, your bond could be lowered or changed. So if that happens, you only have a $5,000 bond in this case. So if you're not going to post the 50 before June 8th, wait, see what happens June 8th. If you have a lower bond, then you have a lower bond here already. You may possibly post both of them at that point in time.
Right. So is this 50,000 10%? I mean, is this 5,000 10%, or is just 5,000 cash?
Or bail bondsman. So you can use a bail bondsman to post it.
So cash and a surety for this one?
Yep, you got it.
So and then is my other one cash and a surety too?
I assume so, but I don't have that information. Ms. Pirney just indicated it's 50,000 cash or surety. I'm sure that it has to be that way.
Okay.
All right. That cleared up for you?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Scott, you're all set then. Have a good day.
Oh no. Can I talk to my lawyer right quick?
Well, they'll be in touch with you before your next court date for sure. We got to move on to a bunch of other cases here, but they'll be in touch with you.
And then it's the 12th?
12th of June, yep.
You'll be talking to someone today before your hearing today, Mr. Scott.
Well, I think Mr. Scott was a little bit depressed about the reality of his situation more than confused. Sounds like he had 3 different charges. One of them had a $50,000 bond, cash or surety. One of them had a $5,000 bond, which is what the magistrate just set. And then the most important one, I think he had a probation hold that wasn't getting him anywhere anyways. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Please like the video if you can, and go ahead and make sure you're subscribed. We've got lots of fun stuff coming. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.